Check, check. 1, 2. What's up, guys? Welcome to Bullet's Garage. On today's episode, I'm going to give you an update about what happened to the Ddm tuning LED bulb. As you can see, I got it with the connection messed up. So the good thing is the company, thankfully, is shipping me out another pair for free. So that's on the way. What I'm going to attempt to do today is actually repair this, which I'm going to show you how I do in this video. Hopefully we get it repaired so we can have a spare set. If not, no big deal, just a few minutes wasted. But let me show you how I will attempt to fix this today. Alright guys, so let me give you a little bit of information of how I'm going to attempt to fix this. So on this one, where it's completely torn off, you have a positive and a negative wire which attach. It's going to be hard to see, but inside of there is 1 and 2 wires. But what I need to do is get out this almost like caulk-like material so I could get access to those wires. So I'm going to get that out, get my solder gun, solder these together, put a fresh caulking inside of this to hold it in place, and then we will hopefully get them to work. Now the good thing is that the other one didn't break apart fully, because I am able to tell where the positive wire is and where the ground one is on the switch. So I'm going to use that to guide this one that's completely broken off. So stay tuned, this is how we're going to do it. Alright, now that I got that nice and cleaned up, we're going to prep the wires on the actual connection so we can have something to solder this onto. Alright guys, so now that I have this nice and clean, I got some extra wire pulled off for the connections that I'm going to be making. My solder gun is heating up as we speak, so we'll move on and solder this. Alright guys, there you have it. They are connected. I'm gonna let this caulk dry out overnight, and then when I get a chance, I'm gonna stop by my customer's house to install them on his car. And so these will be his spares since the new ones are coming in. I'm gonna install the new ones. I'm just gonna put these on real quick and test them to see if they work, and I will keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and comment.